Okay, so welcome back. This is now question number 4 from the February-March 2022 paper from Cambridge 0580. Here we have a question about surface area of this cuboid. So we know it's a cuboid for sure. Because it's a cuboid, we know the faces are all rectangular, right? So we want to find the total surface area of this cuboid, meaning the surface of what we can see in front of us and also the surfaces that are behind it, which we can't see. If I just make a little diagram here, you'll be able to see that. Okay, these are some of the faces that we maybe can't see right now. So this is, the cuboid, right? Something like that. So these are the different faces of the cuboid, and if we look at it like this, we see that we have basically two faces, like the front and the back. We can say the front and the back, and this is 7 and this is 5. Both of them are 7 times 5. So you have 7 times 5, and there's 2 of them. That's the area of the two faces. There's 2 rectangles, the front and the back. This is the area, and there's 2 of them. So we get that. And the area of the 2 sides, left and right, they are like these rectangles, which are length 5 by 4. Okay, they don't look like rectangles when you look at it like this, but because this is a 3D diagram. If you were looking at this diagram from this perspective, you would see a rectangle in front of you, and the rectangle would have dimensions. So this is left and right, and that's 4 times 5, and we got 2 of them. And then we got the top and the bottom. If we were looking from above, we would see a rectangle in front of us, and its dimensions would be 7 by 4. So you have 7 times 4, and we got the top and the bottom, so times 2 of them. That's the top and the bottom. Okay, so this is the back and this is the bottom. So now we're going to see what we get. That's 35 times 2, which is 70. That's 20 times 2, which is 40. That's 28 times 2, which is 56. Okay, and we add them together. That's 110, 166. So you have 166 centimeters squared. So that's the answer here. We can write down. That's one way of doing it. There's other ways of doing it as well. Okay, but this I think is by far the easiest way of dealing with it. All right, so there's your answer number 4, which is all about surface area. So that will be collected. This question is collected in the paper, for this particular paper, the playlist that you'll find over here. All the other questions from this paper will be found in that playlist. Other questions really related to surface area and volumes and mensuration in general will be found in the playlist over here. And you can click on this to subscribe to the channel if you wish to. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.